Hello and welcome. You are now tuning in Miss Vicky YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix cookie dough with too much flour. First of all, let us understand what happens when extra flour is added into your cookie dough. When you use extra flour with a ratio of 1.3 to 1 or higher with your butter, it will result in cookies that barely spread at all when baked. Your cookies will be thicker, and the middle will remain dense and dough-like. Therefore, using too much flour in your cookie dough will result in dry, undercooked cookies. So, how can you fix it? It's simple. Learn these 3 easy tips from me, and confidently bake your next perfect batch of delicious cookies for your family and friends to enjoy. Tip number 1. Add liquid. Milk, water, and egg whites are all suitable liquids for your cookie dough because these ingredients can retain the taste of your cookies. Add your preferred ingredient into your dough 1 teaspoon at a time. Then, mix your dough thoroughly until the desired consistency is achieved. Next, tip number 2. Add fat. You can try adding fat, such as butter or oil, into your cookie dough. However, please make sure to only use it in small amounts. The reason being fat can change the texture of your cookies, and which may cause your cookies to spread out too much while baking. Lastly, tip number 3. Use your hands for mixing. For this last tip, do not be afraid to get your hands dirty. If you have tried adding extra liquid and fat to your cookie dough, and it is still too crumbly, try using your hands to mix instead. Overmixing your dough with a spoon or mixer can result in flat, hard cookies. So, by mixing with your hands, you can feel when the dough has reached the correct consistency. And that concludes the video. I hope this video has been a great help for you in saving the cookie dough that you have added too much flour to. A quick recap. To fix your cookie with too much flour, tip 1. Try adding liquid. Tip 2. Try adding fat. Finally, tip 3. Use your hands for mixing. All the best in your baking journey and thanks for watching.